Hello, Paul. Thank you for your email. Today, I would like to give you some introduction about the baby source book. You mentioned in the email you would like to know more function about a book. So today, I will give you a full introduction about the 5 collection wholesale in the market and the main book we are using at the moment. I hope this introduction can bring you some new idea for your book. Okay, firstly, I would like to introduce the first collection is uh, this 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 series. In this series book, we have at least 6 books. Today, I just show you some of them and give you some brief introduction. In this collection, the main function and the main technical we use is to uh, just to teach the children to recognize the role through the book, and the main sound technical we use the membrane to sound, but compared to your book maybe a little different. Let me show you how it works. Firstly, you have to open the button here, and then in each book they have 12 pages. On each page they have a illustration with a song, but the sound button here is a little special, different from another brand and another company. That is, we have twice time to sound technical. For example, the first time you press, maybe you can get the voice for the roster. The original voice of the roster, how they are as voice, and the second time when you press, they have some other very traditional and very lovely words for the children. They which can increase their interaction and can train them the practice to speak. Okay, this is the main function, and on this page is for the duck. And the first time you press the button, you have a voice for the duck, and the second time you will see it's a very okay. The second time you will have the voice is with a theme. For example, in this page is related to the duck by the river. Okay, so we will make a very nice song to describe this theme. So it's a very creative way for the kid to do the interaction with the nature. Okay, and the third page is for the pig. For example, this is the original sounds for the pig, but the second time is a very funny voice for these 2 pigs to play together. Okay, so this is a very funny way. And the first question I would like to show, because different book, the topic not the same, because the animal and the theme is not the same, but we have the same technical. Okay, I will not show you all the book. I just let you have idea. For example, like this for play the guitar, and the second time is for the singing. Okay, of course you can change any idea to yours. It's okay. This is the first question I'd like to show you. We have at least 20 books, but this 6 collection, but this 6 collection is new. I think it is also suitable for your market. Okay. And then the second book I'd like to show you is this. This one is a little different from the first collection I show you. This collection is for a short story, a very small story to tell the key before they are asleep. So we call the bedtime story. Okay, how it works, I will show you. For example, when you turn on the key here, and then you can press the button here, you will get the sound. Yeah, it's just imagine the time for the kids go to bed, so they have some very funny interaction with their mommy and with the family. And also, yeah. Okay, this and then you can read the story and explain explain the story to the kid can increase the interaction. So the function will not have more. Okay, this is the basic. This is the basic. How to say basic knowledge to teach the children to how to do wash face and brush the teeth. Okay, this is the basic skills to teach.